Greetings everybody, I'm Joe Liptak, audio engineer, and today I'm here to talk to you about hooking up your stereo speakers to a computer. Now I'm sure you've always wanted to have your banging stereo speakers be the forefront of your computer's sound system. That's a pretty cool thing, right? But unfortunately, most stereo speakers don't have an 1/8" audio jack to plug directly into your computer. So what can remedy this problem? Well, I always like to say it's all about adapters. And right here, my friends, is the solution. Basically, it takes two unbalanced RCA jacks and turns it into a balanced, or well, stereo audio 1/8" plug. The first thing you want to do is plug the output of the stereo speakers, which is the RCA plugs, into the RCA jacks of your adapter. Next, plug the 1/8" plug of the adapter into the 1/8" audio jack into your computer. Voila, simple as that. You've just hooked up your stereo speakers to your computer. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you learned something. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm Joe Liptak.